today's video is all about how to make a very easy and simple hair butter at home by using all the oils that you have at home. So this hair butter is very great. It's going to help you to grow your hair, moisturize your scalp, regrow your edges, strengthen your hair. If you guys want to see how I make this easy and simple hair butter, keep watching. So I'm gonna be using the oil that I already DIY on my channel. This oil was actually fenugreek seed with rosemary. If you guys haven't checked that video out, I will be putting the handle here. You guys can go and check how I DIY this oil. So I was actually infusing this oil for a long time. It has been like for 2 weeks now or so, and I do infuse this oil. So now it's time to use the oil for hair butter because I'm running out of some for my hair butter. So I decided to just use this oil for my hair butter. So I'm going to be sieving my oil right here because I really don't want all this fenugreek seed inside the oil. So feel free to just separate them from the seed. And then after that, I will go ahead and add some shea butter into it. Guys, if you also prefer to add coconut butter or you want to add any other butter that you have at home, feel free to add any butter that you have at home. And another thing that I have to say, guys, if you don't have if you didn't do any DIY oil like this, you can just go ahead and use coconut oil and extra virgin oil, because this oil that I'm using here is actually extra virgin oil and coconut oil. So you can just go ahead and pour your coconut oil, extra virgin oil if you don't have all these seeds, if you don't DIY this oil the way I did. So you can just easily use coconut and extra virgin oil, and then after that you can add your shea butter into it, and you can just bring your bowl to the fire and do this double boiler method and melt this oil together. If you're new to my channel, my name is Natia. I'm a mom of 2, and this channel is all about how to grow your natural hair. If you are into hair growth journey, feel free to join this family. Okay, I do DIY a lot of hair products, how you can grow your hair at home by using all your natural ingredients, which are working really good on my hair. So if you use them as well, it's also going to work on your hair. I know every hair type is different, but one thing I just have to say is growing your natural hair takes time. Okay, with DIYs, it actually takes time. You have to be patient and you have to be consistent with any ingredient or any product that you're putting into your hair. Just be patient and stay away with a lot of hairstylists that will break your hair, hairstyles that will hairstyles that will be too tight and that will break your hair. So yeah, if you use your DIYs, your hair will definitely grow. So my oil have been on the fire for like 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna be setting it aside so everything have melted. If you are living in a country, which I don't know for the moment, I feel like everybody is still living in, and now we are in summertime, so you just cover your oil and bring it to the fridge. And if your country or wherever you are living right now is cold, you don't have to put the oil in the fridge. Just bring it outside overnight, and the oil will get hard like this. And after some hours of leaving the oil in the fridge, this is basically how your oil should look. And then what you have to do next, just keep wasting this oil. This is the main part that you really have to work hard for, because you really have to waste this oil. And there's one thing I also have to say, guys, and why I took before I put my oil in the fridge, there was this little bubbles that was coming out. I really advise that you take that bubbles out before you waste this oil. It's also going to take your hair butter to another level, because I didn't do that in this hair butter video. So I just want to remind you that if you have a bubbles on top like that of your oil like that, maybe I will be enhancing the video back again. Please sift the bubbles out again with your cheap cloth so that your oil will be clean and clear. Okay, all right, so just keep wasting whatever your oil. Okay, just mix them with a hand mixer like this to this consistency that you guys are seeing here. And after that, you can still feel free to add any type of oil that you prefer. If you want to add more oil, if you're having more essential oil, you can go ahead and add it. For me, I just wanted to add only amla oil because I really love the smell of this amla oil. So I added 1 spoon of amla oil. If you guys want to add like any other essential oil like peppermint oil or Jamaica black castor oil or any type of oil that you have at home, if you still want to go ahead and add more oil, you can feel free to add your oil at this point, and then after that you can keep whisking your oil to this beautiful consistent shea butter. Yeah. So this is basically how my shea butter is looking, guys. Don't worry, okay? I know it's still looking liquid. It's just that you need to add more shea butter if you have. I wasn't having more shea butter. That's the reason why it turned out like this. Yeah, my shea butter is ready. It's very easy to make. Okay, you can use this hair butter for your braid. You can use it for cornrows. You can use it for any hairstyles that you have in your hair, any protective style. You can actually use it to seal your moisture after you apply your any product on your hair. You can use this oil to seal it down and moisturize your scalp at least up to 5 minutes, and your hair will definitely grow, and it's gonna keep your scalp moisturizing, and it's going to help your hair to soften your hair and overall grow your hair. So that's it, and that's how I make this easy and simple hair butter. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you know you do, you're watching me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe. Okay, if you want, you can put this bottle back in the fridge and it's gonna get hard. Okay, so yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I really appreciate your love and support. May God bless you all as you keep supporting my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share this video to your friends and loved one. Okay, so make your own hair butter at home. It's very easy. Okay, so in the meantime, hope to catch you on my next one. Much love. Bye bye.